Hi guys! Welcome to Avengture Vlogs, where you have to find out who you are and live it in purpose.
Good day, I'll be showing you how I actually managed to pay my online credit card bills on BDO. And I'll be doing this on my BDO account. So all you have to do is go on enrollment, click on company biller, and then go and click enroll. Alright, so let's wait. And then we'll have to choose our company biller name, and we'll have to look for BDO credit card peso payment to peso card. And then choose the product type, which will be MasterCard for me. And then alright guys, so put in your subscriber number, and that would be your card number. And I'm just putting in anything for now since I already input my information earlier this day. And then click on subscriber name, that would be the name on your card, and choose the nickname you desired. Make sure online banking is ticked, and then click submit after that. Alright, so we're gonna do another enrollment, and I'll explain to you later why. So click on enrollment and go to own account and click enroll. And then I'll be choosing peso since my account is actually on peso. And the account type, which will be credit card. Now it's time for you to input your account number, so that would be the card number as well. And put your CVV, so that's the 3-digit code at the back of your card. And I'm not sure if there's 4-digit, but I'm inputting anything for now. And then after that, put in the desired nickname you want to have, and don't forget to click on submit. Alright, so it's time for me to show you how I pay my bills. So go and pay bills and reload, and then click on bills payment and pay bills. Right, once you click that one, you'll actually see the card that you registered at the very first step I showed you earlier. So you'll just have to click that, then put in the amount that you want to pay, and then click on remarks. So this will remind you what transaction you've done, and then click on submit after that. Alright, so let's go back to my account, and I'll show you why we registered twice. And for that reason, actually, just like savings account, you'll actually be able to see your current balance. So I'll click on credit card, and this will show you the current credit that you have with credit card. Alright, just like how you see it with your savings account. And you'll also be able to see the current unpaid bills you have with your credit card. So I hope this tutorial, guys, actually was able to help you to be able to pay your credit card bills. And don't forget to log out once you're done. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned. I hope to see you guys on my next vlog. Take care and have a good day. Bye!